Hello, guys, and welcome to Big Data Brain, and today we will be going over my new project, which is the News Headlines NLP pipeline. The pipeline this time will actually be doing live tasks unlike my previous economic releases pipeline. This time, we will actually go the extra mile and actually use it on a system. But don't worry, this will be explained in the last part of this video. But for now, let us go through this pipeline flowchart. Please note that this workflow is likely to change as we move along, so don't assume that this is the final thing. Okay, with that said, let's begin. The first 3 steps we will skip as collecting this data was very tedious and difficult. On the Reuters website, we can only scrape like a month's worth of data before we get locked out. As for investing.com, we get Cloudflare challenges all the time, and it is very difficult to even scrape anything as they definitely will shut you down. So this project will be a continuous one. We will make changes as we move along, and proper training, validation and testing will be done once we can find a reliable news API and a reliable method of getting the news headline data without delay. Right now, the investing.com RSS feed is delayed, as they source the articles from Reuters and they themselves get their data from a third-party data company. So it's clear where we should source our data from, but those options are very pricey. This project did not turn out the way I wanted, so I had to improvise. In the general scheme of things, we did achieve our tasks, but partially. The end goal here would be to use the pipeline for our own trading in order to create signals, but we will need to put that on hold up until we can get the proper data and data feeds we need. Our FinBERT NLP model was excellent. We loaded a pre-trained version so it has all the weights and parameters we need so we can use it out the box, just plug and play. I will leave a link in the descriptions, so you guys can check out the model on Hugging Face as well as the ML paper for this model. It's definitely interesting, so please don't skip it. It will help you understand this model even better. This model uses the investing.com RSS feeds, and gives us a score and bearish or bullish signal in real time. Meaning if the article was released 10 seconds ago, after the scan completes, the model would have computed a score for us. And that is really cool if you ask me. The logic scans the RSS every 2 minutes to limit delays. There will not be any Docker container for this project as we will still work on it in the future, so this is not the final thing. The repo will be provided so you guys can test it out for yourselves. By the way, this is not financial advice, just exploring ways in which NLP could be used in finance. I dare you all to give this system a try. It's definitely a great way to get into NLP and machine learning. Next we will head over to the website. The script displays all our data on a web page so we can view it properly, unlike the bare VS Code command line interface. Next we will head over to the web page. The model displays the output for the most recent headlines, bullish or bearish status plus a score of how strong the signal is. The dashboard even has a link so you can view the article directly if you wish to read the entire thing, but for this project, the headline is all we need. The RSS feed itself was very bare and needed extra processing before we could use and extract the data, hence we made some logic for it in our script. And this concludes the end of the video. Not the best pipeline out there, but I will work on it in the months to come, so it's not a total loss. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as it will help the channel grow. And also it will help the algorithm push these kind of videos to the people that really need them. At the time of recording, the GitHub repo was already uploaded, so I will leave a link so you can check it out. One more thing before we go. For my next project we will be using lots of tick data from various financial markets. We will be using Spark, ML libraries and a bunch of big data tools to process massive chunks of data. By massive I mean around 30 to 50 gigabytes of data, and that is a lot. You don't want to miss it. It will be my biggest project up till now, and it's definitely going to be massive. Take care and goodbye, see you in the next one.